Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about another types of projection of problem, projection of solid problem. So here I have taken the frustum types of category of prism. Okay. So what is the meaning of frustum means? I have to remove a certain amount of from the apex. Okay, from the top side, I have to cut into certain a length. Okay, that is the remaining portions we call it as a frustum. We call it as a frustum, and we have to project the top view and the front view of the frustum with the height of 50 mm, and the length of the side is base length is equal to 50 mm. Okay, so the length one is given and the height of the prism frustum is given. Okay, so the length of the side on the base is equal and 50 mm. Okay, so this is my conditions. Okay, so what you have to do means, so you have to construct the xy line. Okay, first of all, after that, you have to mark it as this is my vertical plane and this is my horizontal plane. Okay, so this is your name I have to given for this problem. Okay, so the top and front view of the frustum with the height is 50 mm and the length of the side base equal to 50 mm. Okay, so the height also 50 and the base also 50. The frustum means is joined like this. Is correct? Is go join like this. Okay, so what you have to do means, so first you have to construct the what is length. The base side length is equal to 50 mm. Okay, first you have to construct the 50 mm line. Okay, we don't know about the what is the height can be exactly cut. Okay, so here not mentioned, but with the height of 50 mm they have mentioned the first term height is 50 mm. So this total height is what 50 mm. Okay, this total height was they mention as 15. Okay, so first you have to construct what you have to do means you have to imaginary line you have to project it towards upward the all the point to get joined. So where you have to get joined. So for example, so here you have to extend the line. Okay, so extend the line up to, so you have to make the angle. Okay, and that you have to draw this line. So after you have to take the height 50 mm, you have to mark it as okay. Then you have to draw this line. Okay, after draw this line, you give the name like A and B, C and D. I think that the naming part will be quite complicated. Once your top view is if you draw, you can complete. Okay. Next, you have to project this case. Okay. So what happened is, if you have projected this case, so you got the top view of the given solid. So what is my top view of the given solid is, how could you construct this diagram is, so this line we have to extend it like this, and this line you have to extend it. And similarly, you have to extend this line, and similarly you have to line the x in this line. Okay, so then you have to join this line and you have to join this line. This is total height is 50 and this height also 50. No? So that is your construction. So you have 50 and this is a base length. You construct the base length and this is the height. Okay, so after that you have to do means you can project the top side of the triangle on the both side. So if you're cutting to draw the line is on the both side, there is a cutting point the above projection lines. So that point you have to catch means you can draw the another simple rectangle. That is that is in the shaded rectangle. The remaining 8 portions will be there in this shape. Okay. So this is my height of 50 and this is my height of 50. This is the look like a frustum types of problems. Okay. So next step is what you have to do means the center axis is very important. Okay. So the center axis means you have to equally split into the equal parts. That is a 50 and a 50. Okay. Then you have to give a like a name. So how could you give a name? It's like just your concept top view is very easy for you. So I give a call it a name as A. Here I give a name as A, B, and C, and D. Okay. So this name is coming under this side. So A dash and D dash. Here his name is coming B dash and C dash. Okay. This is one case. And remaining 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is coming to the side. So 1 dash and 4 dash. So this is my 2 dash and 3 dash. Okay, so this is the problem you have to complete the frustum of the code.